Welcome to our in-depth look at NASA's historic Starliner mission. Today, we're thrilled to take you through the details of the much-anticipated launch of astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams aboard Boeing's Starliner spacecraft. Set for a monumental journey to the International Space Station, this mission marks a major milestone in NASA's Commercial Crew Program, aimed at providing safe and reliable transportation for astronauts to and from the orbiting laboratory. Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams, both veteran astronauts, are set to make history as the first crew to launch aboard this advanced spacecraft. This mission represents a leap forward in manned space exploration. We will delve into all aspects of this mission, from the extensive preparations and rigorous testing procedures to the mission's objectives and its significance for the future of space travel. Join us as we explore this groundbreaking mission and celebrate the spirit of human ingenuity and exploration. NASA's Commercial Crew Program aims to revolutionize space travel by providing safe and reliable transportation for astronauts to the International Space Station. This ambitious initiative, launched in 2014, seeks to end reliance on Russian spacecraft by fostering innovation within the American aerospace industry. Through partnerships with companies like Boeing and SpaceX, NASA has created new avenues for human spaceflight. This upcoming mission aboard Boeing's Starliner spacecraft is a critical milestone in achieving these goals. By successfully launching astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams, NASA and Boeing will demonstrate the fruition of years of development and rigorous testing, moving one step closer to routine crewed missions to low Earth orbit. This program embodies NASA's vision for the future of space exploration, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and ensuring a sustainable presence in space. The Starliner spacecraft, a product of Boeing's collaborative efforts with NASA, is ready for a major milestone. Designed for safe and reliable transportation to the ISS, this vehicle represents the future of space travel. The launch is scheduled for 9:55 p.m. IST on June 1, 2024. Following extensive refurbishments, this mission will test its life support, manual control, and propulsion systems. Both astronauts, Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams, will validate Starliner's readiness for operational crew flights. The spacecraft will return to Earth using parachute and airbag-assisted landing techniques in the southwestern United States. The success of this mission paves the way for regular crew rotations, significantly advancing NASA's Commercial Crew Program. Astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams are on the brink of making history by launching aboard Boeing's Starliner spacecraft to the International Space Station. Wilmore and Williams have been in pre-flight quarantine at Kennedy Space Center since their return on May 28th, a vital part of NASA's Commercial Crew Program. Their mission aims to test the Starliner's systems to ensure it's fully equipped for future operational flights. Together, Wilmore and Williams bring years of experience and dedication to this historic mission. The Launch Readiness Review at NASA's Kennedy Space Center has given the green light for liftoff, confirming that all systems, facilities, and teams are ready. Every component, from the launch pad to the onboard systems, has been meticulously checked and rechecked. The integrated United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket, paired with the Starliner spacecraft, is ready, having rolled out to Space Launch Complex 41. The validation of all systems underscores NASA's collaborative precision in space exploration. Now, with everything in place, the countdown to liftoff begins. As the integrated ULA Atlas V rocket and Starliner spacecraft rolled out to Space Launch Complex 41, final preparations were underway, marking the fruition of meticulous planning and rigorous testing. Inside the Neil A. Armstrong Operations and Checkout Building, astronauts Wilmore and Williams remained in pre-flight quarantine. The duo will embark on a mission designed to test the Starliner spacecraft systems. With a strong 90% chance of favorable weather, the launch is set for 9:55 p.m. IST on June 1st. This mission will pave the way for regular crew rotation flights to the ISS. Wilmore and Williams have been in pre-flight quarantine since their arrival at the Florida spaceport on May 28th to ensure their optimal health and prevent any infection risk to the ISS crew. During this period, they stay in the Neil A. Armstrong Operations and Checkout Building, undergoing rigorous health checks and maintaining social distance from the support team. This protocol underscores NASA's commitment to astronaut health, ensuring Wilmore and Williams are fully prepared for their historic mission aboard the Starliner spacecraft. The week-long mission will be a pivotal test of the Starliner spacecraft's capabilities. Astronauts Wilmore and Williams will assess the system's life support, manual control, and propulsion as they travel to the ISS. This mission will validate the operational readiness of the Starliner for future crew rotations and symbolize a significant advancement in NASA's commercial crew program. Each aspect of this mission is designed to ensure the spacecraft's safety and efficiency for routine operational flights, setting the stage for future manned expeditions. The Starliner, developed by Boeing and NASA, is an engineering marvel for safe, efficient astronaut transport to the ISS. Equipped with advanced life support, manual control, and propulsion systems, it ensures the crew's well-being and mission reliability. The spacecraft's rigorous testing has verified its capability to sustain human life and conduct space research. The Starliner will return to Earth using parachute and airbag-assisted landing, demonstrating its robust design. This crew flight test mission will validate all these systems, paving the way for future regular crewed flights under NASA's commercial crew program. The journey of NASA's Starliner spacecraft has not been without hurdles. Challenges like a software glitch during its first ISS mission in 2019 and parachute concerns in 2023 caused delays. However, these issues prompted extensive testing and crucial modifications, preparing Starliner for its crew flight test mission. This process underscores NASA's commitment to overcoming obstacles and achieving mission success. The mission is a monumental achievement for NASA's commercial crew program, marking a critical milestone in providing safe, reliable astronaut transportation to the ISS. This launch represents years of dedication, meticulous planning, and problem-solving. For Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams, this journey adds to their illustrious careers and paves the way for future space travel. The mission's success highlights the potential for routine crew rotation flights, advancing our space exploration capabilities. By overcoming technical and funding obstacles and demonstrating the Starliner's readiness, this mission promises new frontiers for human spaceflight. The success of this historic mission opens doors for regular crew rotation flights to the ISS. It signifies a leap forward for NASA's commercial crew program, emphasizing the goal of safe and reliable astronaut transportation. This mission's triumph strengthens the foundation for future space travel, showcasing the collaborative efforts between NASA and aerospace giants like Boeing. As we conclude our look at NASA's historic Starliner mission, it's important to reflect on the journey that brought us here. The Launch Readiness Review confirmed all systems, facilities, and teams are prepared for liftoff, marking significant progress in NASA's commercial crew program. Astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams are set to make history aboard Boeing's Starliner spacecraft. This mission signifies a concerted effort to enhance safety and reliability despite challenges like software glitches and delays. Through extensive testing and modifications, the Starliner is ready to meet its objectives. This mission sets the stage for future operational crew flights, advancing space travel. We look forward to witnessing Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams make history, paving the way for future advancements in NASA's commercial crew program and space exploration.